has steadfastly dedicated its service to the nation, consistently upholding its proud motto Jivan Paryant Kartavya, that is duty unto death. Over the decades, the force has evolved to meet multifarious challenges to national security with unwavering commitment and professionalism. In Meghalaya, BSF has been entrusted with the vital responsibility of guarding an international border spanning 444.867 kilometers. Despite difficult terrains, adverse weather conditions, and remote operational locations, Meghalaya Frontier BSF has relentlessly worked to maintain the sanctity of border, combat trans-border crimes, and support counter-insurgency efforts wherever required. The Meghalaya Frontier remains committed to exceptional coordination with the Government of Meghalaya, Meghalaya State Police, and all other sister agencies, enabling seamless intelligence-driven border management. The united approach not only enhances security but also strengthens trust, peace, and harmony among border communities, ensuring a stable and cooperative environment along the international boundaries. During the year 2025, BSF Meghalaya Frontier has achieved several significant milestones, further reinforcing its commitment to national security and the welfare of border population. Following are some of the important achievements of BSF Meghalaya Frontier during the period from 1st January 25 to up to 30th November 2025. Operational achievements. During the period of January 2025 to November 2025, huge quantity of contraband items worth 29.43 crore have been seized by the active and vigilant border security force troops, out of which we could be able to seize yaba tablets, ganja, fensadil, liquor, cattle, saris, and other miscellaneous items. Apart from seizing the contraband items, we have also been able to apprehend more than 2054 illegal Bangladeshis infiltrators on the borders, and this has largely prevented and stopped the infiltrations of the Bangladeshis through Meghalaya borders. We also carried out lot many civic action programs. During these, we were able to distribute required items of daily use to the border population, provided medical facilities to the border population. Round the clocks, our ambulances and our medics, they have been available for the border population, and we were also able to save some of the prestigious and lives of the border population by evacuating them to the main hospitals in Shillong. The process of the fencing is quite encouraging. During last year, we were able to construct and operationalize around 20 kilometer of fencing, thereby reducing the gaps in the border fencing all along the Indo-Bangladesh borders in Meghalaya state. There were some impediments uh, in the form of court cases, objection from BGB, and objection from the local civilian population. But with the active patronage of Honorable Chief Minister, support of the state machinery, and proactive persuasion and follow up by BSF officers, recently we could get around 21 kilometer of the land where soon we will be starting the fencing. So hopefully during the end of 2026, we will be able to completely fill the gaps in the border fence.
Will you be able to address that zero line demand fencing along the
You see, the zero line demand is not practical. There are certain international conventions and there are certain terrain compulsions where we have to construct the fencing beyond 150 meter. So all over the border areas, in most of the places, the fencing is rather almost all the places fencing has been constructed beyond 150 meters. So I'm sure that the population on the border will understand the complications and they will support us.